Hello friends, I Ritu Kumawat working as Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges welcome you on the behalf of Guru KPU. Today I am here to present about keys in the database management system. There are so many keys available in the database management system. These are primary key, foreign key, super key, candidate key and alternate key. Now we will discuss one by one. Let us know about primary key. First of all, know about what is key. Key is a value that is uniquely identify each record in a table. Now let us know what is primary key. Primary key is a value that is uniquely identify each record in a table. For example, roll number. Roll number is treated as primary key in the student database. Two students name can be same. So we use primary key, roll number as primary key to uniquely identify each student. Now the second one is foreign key. Basically foreign key is used to establish link between two tables. Foreign key is used to point primary key in another table. For example, we have two tables. First one is persons, second one is orders. Now these tables have fields PID in the person table and also this field is also available in the orders table. So the PID in the person table will be treated as primary key and the PID in the orders table will be treated as foreign key. So this PID in the order table is pointing to primary key of the person table. Now the next one is super key. Super key is a combination of fields that is used to uniquely identify each record in a table. For example, we have a table employee with the fields employee ID, name, job and department ID. Using these fields, the possible super keys are: first one is employee ID and name, second one is employee ID, name and job, and the third one is employee ID, name, job and department ID. So basically it is a combination of fields. Now next one is candidate key. Candidate key basically candidate key has the ability to become the primary key. So candidate key can act as a primary key and it is also used to uniquely identify each record in a table. For example, in the previous example we have combination of super keys. So in this or we can say minimal super key is also treated as candidate key. For example, here employee ID will be treated as candidate key because it is a minimal super key. Now next one is alternate key. It is a part of candidate key which is not a primary key, is called alternate key. For example, we have a table employee with the fields employee name, national insurance number and employee ID. So here national insurance number and employee ID are the candidate keys. If we are choosing national insurance number as a primary key, then the employee ID will be treated as alternate key. So that was all about keys in the database management system. Thank you so much. For the more details and videos, you can log on to www.gurukpu.com.